I'd like to briefly show you the STI menu. This is the setup menu, which is in the toolbox, and we've got security, log on names, so we can add and remove people from the system, and the priorities that they have when they're on the system. We've got logins history, so we can see when people logged on, what times they logged on and when they logged off, how long they were on the system. It's just a little extra security in case you've somebody coming into your office late on the night and actually borrowing data, which has been known to happen. This is building this list up. This list you need to clear off every so often. It does look as though this one's not been done for a while, as you can see, but I can select all here. That's all selected, and I can delete, and that will clear the list out. On my options, I've got the default return interval of contracts and confirmations. When they're sent out, they go out with the text in black, and when they're returned, that text is green. But if they're not returned within the 14 days, that text becomes red, so you can see your outstanding contracts. Got all the options here for your default print settings, how you want your diaries to show, your booking form, default payment method is pick up and pay is provided by the Act. All this is just to try and set the system up to how things normally happen. You can change these at the point of booking, which is to try and make it reasonably easy for you. We've got maintenance, we've got account maintenance, we've got contract maintenance, database maintenance, multimedia maintenance. We've got individual purchase invoices here rather than grouped together. Show order number on invoicing item if you wish. Group accounts using Sage ID rather than the STI ID. Default account type using Sage, what you're using. Contract return. That means that it will only send jobs into the account system after the contracts have been returned. For artist and management. Do not put Act stage names on address labels. Auto tick allow cancellation letters, so when you cancel a booking it automatically sets the letters up. Also reconcile non-VAT registered acts, that means it will send invoices through for non-pickup jobs automatically for acts if they're not VAT registered, rather than you having to do it manually. If you're in an area where the VAT has to be charged, the VAT man makes you charge VAT on non-pickup bookings, whether the act is VAT registered or not, that's selected. User labels. These are defined labels or extra search criteria that you can add in. Look here, I've said I've got labels 1 for acts, it's called Christmas cards, and if I go into an act here, just have to OK that, out of the menu, you will see in the options tab, that's Christmas cards. So if I want to send a Christmas card to this act, I edit, and then tick is in my Christmas card list. And that's it, he's joined my Christmas card list. That's all this is in the user labels. We've got our agency details, phone number, VAT number, etc. And then we've got Sage management, where Sage is, what version we're using, and settings, our tax codes, departmental codes, commission codes, and purchase commission codes. And that is the STI toolbox.